Hi YouTubers, I'm Tariq, and in this video I'm going to show you some, I believe, the most greatest and best tools that you can have in your kitchen that can let you cook without all the stress. First up, we have this little guy. It's called a food processor. And what can it do? Well, it can shred your carrots, chop vegetables, except for potatoes. It'll turn them into gooey globs of glue. And it can shred your cheese, and it can make a mean pie crust unexpectedly. How? Well, this one has a sharp steel blade, just like a knife, and you can open the top to place all your ingredients in to chop. Like maybe some carrots, some celery, a little mirepoix. It also has a feeding tube for shredding cheese and carrots and things like that when you have the disc inside. And it also has a powerful motor that takes up to 650 watts. Oh, and it should have 3 buttons, no more. On, off, and also pulse. Next, we have the salad spinner. Now, the name says it all. It's used to dry out watery leafy greens for your salad. Now, it's not only good for that, you can also use it to drain pasta. Just take this attachment off, and then just place the pasta in, and it's good for your dish. And the function for drying out salad, you just press this plunger like this, and it spins, kind of like you're on that merry-go-round playground ride. And it has a stopper when you want it to stop. And then just take it off and just drain all the water out of this. And then you're done. Simple. Next is the ever so familiar waffle iron. Now, this is not only good for making crispy little waffles for your morning brunch, it can also be good for making mini pizzas, good for grilling burgers. And it's also a panini press in disguise, which, you ask me, is kind of a little bit creepy, but convenient. Now, what you're looking for is a nice round waffle iron, which is also made out of metal. Do not buy plastic, because it's lightweight, and that means there's less heating elements, and you'll end up with a less crispy waffle. And that's a pretty bad thing. Now for this tool, you might find this in your grandmother's kitchen. It's called a stand mixer. Now this is great for making cake batters, cookie dough, but mysteriously it's also good for mashing your potatoes. Just set this on low speed, and then this whisk can actually mash your little taters until they're nice and kind of like white fluffy clouds. Now, also good functions, you can unlock and you can lift this up. It also has a locking bowl so it won't spin or shake all over the place. And you might also find these other attachments: a paddle attachment and a dough hook. Now, I saved my favorite for last. The good old Western-like cast iron skillet. About 10 to 12 inches in diameter, a circle. Now, why is it my favorite? Well, not only can you cook on a stovetop, but it's also good as kind of like a casserole dish for the oven. It won't explode or implode or anything like that. It can take the heat. And that's what I like about it. If you buy all these utensils in this video from your local kitchen supply store, then you might be just a few steps away to having your own kitchen of paradise. Thanks for watching.